My name is Rashad Slade. I'm the Director of Instructional Technology and Innovation. Part of my role is to oversee virtual learning for the school district, instructional technology for K-12, and library media services. A lot of what I do is behind the scenes, but my team actually goes out to the schools and they more so train teachers on strategies and best practices for integrating technology. But then we follow up to see how the students are responding to their instruction, how the students are responding to them, and then we'll ask students questions. Did you like that lesson? What did you like about it? What was fun about it? Because it's all about that fun factor of technology is what they really want. And then we observe, you have some students that they don't care about technology. They don't like technology. It's shocking. You hear a lot of, well, it's the 21st century students. They all want technology, and they don't. Some of them are like, I can't stand the technology. Well, with our new initiative on the middle school, it's just launched or relaunched this past fall, so we're really waiting to see how those results are going to come into play. Prior to that was the Montlou Elementary School, which those numbers increased a lot, and it was really based around the integration of technology and the iPads. So outside of those two models, we'll have to see. We'll have to wait and see how the results are with these one-to-one initiatives on the middle school. And a lot of the other schools that are doing it on their own, it's really hard to gauge whether whether the technology is the real root of the increase in performance. It goes back to a lot of schools that have technology and then a lot of schools that don't. So the equity issue comes up of, how are we really measuring and what are we measuring? So when you ask a question like that, I automatically think about the school that they don't have it. So how do we really answer that or gauge that? But then you go to the school that do have it and you ask, well, is it making a difference?